Hi, my name is Ziegler. I'm a scientist at the Benaroya Research Institute and the director of the immunology program. We are a completely independent, not-for-profit research institute that's devoted primarily to studying human diseases, including autoimmunity, allergy, asthma, etc. So an allergic response happens in a certain fraction of individuals who, when they encounter an allergen for the first time, instead of not responding or making a basically harmless response to this allergen, they have an IgE response, and they become what we refer to as sensitized or primed, if you will, to respond immediately to the next encounter with the same allergen. Each time you re-encounter the same allergen, the response can get worse and worse to the point where you can go into anaphylactic shock, which is not a good thing. Most of the proteins that we've been studying that seem to be involved in food allergies are made by cells that line your barrier surfaces, so your skin, your lungs, your gut. And they are sort of your main line of defense against the outside world. And they are bombarded constantly by allergens, things like that. And you naturally make these proteins in response to these challenges, and normally in 90% of the population, there's no downside. People who have allergies have difficulty making that distinction between this is something that's not harmful and this is something that is harmful. I think the hope is to develop treatments that allow those people to have permanent tolerance to those allergens, so that they can be exposed to them and not respond. And that's sort of the big hope going forward.